Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the graphics class which is used in the Java applets. We know that graphics class in general helps to draw some polygon or any objects on the screen. Also it can help to fit the colors and the size and all the parameters of any polygon. Let us see a simple program which helps to draw a rectangle and fill the rectangle. So we have to include the applet class, import java.applet, and then we have to include the AWT Java applet window toolkit. And now we are declaring the class as fill color. Here fill color is the name of the file and is also the name of the class. So public class fill color extends applet. So here we are using the applet function, so using the extends keyword to inherit the applet class. Now let us define the paint class. As we know that paint class helps to do the function in the applet, and it has to be applied on the any object which is the graphics object G. Okay. Now the next line says G dot draw rect of 300, 100, 200, 100. So these values gives the x1, y1 and x2, y2 values of the given rectangle. So draw rect is the method or the function. G is the object, graphics object, and using the dot operator G dot draw rect, we are able to draw the rectangle using the parameters 300, 150, 200 and 100. So this will give all the corner points of the rectangle so that the system can draw a rectangle. And now G dot set color, color dot red. Now we are going to set the color on the rectangle as red. So we are using the function set color. Okay. And now we are using next function as G dot fill rect. Fill rect is the function which helps to fill the rectangle. So what is has to fill the rectangle which is in the location 300, 150, 200 and 100. Okay. This is the same rectangle given earlier. Once you draw the rectangle using the parameters 300, 150, 200 and 100, the same rectangle is filled now using the function G dot fill rectangle of 300, 150, 200, 100. So now the function is over. We are going to set the color of the next parameter which is G dot set color, color dot blue. So this is going to set the string color which is just you are going to display on the screen as colored fill rectangle. This color of the color of this font is blue. Okay, so whatever you want to display, first of all you have to set the color. Now we have set the color as red for the rectangle, and that will be drawn as a red color filled rectangle. Likewise, now we are setting the color for color as blue, and this blue will be applied to the next line which is draw string color filled rectangle. Now screen on the message will be displayed in the position 500, 150 to say that it's a colored filled rectangle. Now we are going to now close the braces of the program, and now we are going to include the applet code. So how to use the applet code? Here fill color is the class name, so that has to be given as the class name. So this is the applet tag that should be available in all the applet program. So applet code is equal to fill color dot class. Then what is the height and width of the applet screen? Height is 200 and width is 100. We can set any values to this height and width of the applet screen, and you have to close the applet tag. So it is a paired tag, applet tag, opening and the closing tags are here, and in this applet code we are going to set the class code. So what is the class here? Fill color is the file name used, and that is the class name also. So now the program is over. Now after running the program, we got the output as this is the rectangle. It is filled in the red color, and the message on the screen is there, colored filled rectangle. So that's all, a simple program which helps to set the font, which helps to set the font color of the message on the screen, as well as to how to draw a rectangle, as well as to how to fill the rectangle using some color. This is how the graphics class helps to display some polygon on the screen. That's all. Is a simple program. Maybe it is easy to follow, and thanks for watching.